Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here bringing you another product reveal with the Unicorn Magic 4x6 clear stamp set. We're going to have a close-up of this and then I'm going to share these stamped out and then I have a sample to share with you at the end of the video. So you're getting three adorable unicorns in this stamp set. The top right unicorn is measuring approximately 2¼ inches wide by 1 7/8 of an inch high. The unicorn on the balloon is measuring about 2½ inches wide by 3¼ inches high. And then the last little unicorn here is 1 7/8 of an inch wide by 2¼ inches high. You're getting the 6 sentiments in here. May all your dreams come true. Always be yourself, and then some buildable sentiments here for believe in the sparkle, or you could do believe in the magic, and then a little cluster of stars included with this set. And you're going to see those used on my sample. So here are these adorable little cuties. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Stamped out. I colored all three of those to go on my card. I paired them with the new Slimline Cloud background die. I have all these products linked below for you, so you can hop over to the Whimsy Stamps website to check them out. We hope you'll check out the blog for more inspiration. You can find us on Instagram and join us in our Facebook Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration group. Until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and take care.